I'm a volunteer, so I do have a day job. However, a lot of my time outside of work is spent here, and I actually work with a lot of fantastic volunteers in the club as well, so it's just a really motivating, positive place to be. It's the fault of my first daughter. She started playing football at school in Ascot when she was 7, and my wife actually volunteered me to run that team for them at the school, which gradually lent me to get involved at Ascot United Football Club. Then I got the urge to sort of progress, got my coaching badges, and the rest is history, as they say.
I'm in charge of all the cleaning, making sure the cleaners are doing their job properly. I like to make sure the site's all tidy and everything's put away, just general, anything's broken, report that, get it changed, get it replaced.
They are the lifeblood, I'd say, of the club. I don't think Ascot would run without Neil and Lisa here. They're that friendly face as well that you always see when you come down here. You'll see either one of them, and probably both of them at some point during the day. So yeah, they are vital.
20 years ago we started a soccer school for 4 and 5-year-olds. Used to run that on a Sunday morning on one of the old grass pitches. Since then I've had various coaching roles, including sort of boys and girls football. Also looked after the under-18 youth team. I've managed an under-23s team, and then eventually ran the men's first team for a couple of seasons as well before my current role.
It was just a big shed at the back. It wasn't a cafe, it was just somewhere people could sit. But it had a cooker. They used to do like bacon rolls and like crisps and sweets and teas and coffees, and that was it.
It's all built on volunteers, so all of our managers for the junior section, they all come from the parents, so we don't have any professional coaches at the club. And off the pitch we have volunteers from all walks of life who are prepared to give their time. We need some help to come and make some sort of changes to the ground, so we get steel workers in, carpenters, lots of people, electricians. We call favours in from members of the club to help us grow the club.
I think it's 13, 14 years old. There was a lady that ran it to begin with, and I just came in to like help. And then she eventually left, so I took it over, revamped it, and as you can see, like with our menu and that, like just added and added and added.
So it's a community-based football club. We now have over 85 teams and coming up to 1,000 members at the club. So over the course of the last 20 years, I've seen a massive growth, massive improvement in the facilities over the last 5 years, some great investment to take us to where we are today. We've had some relatively good success. Our previous management got to 2 quarter-finals in 4 years, and this current campaign, our current manager, we're now back in the quarter-finals again, so we go up to Manchester shortly and looking to progress further than we ever have before in our history. I think the engagement we've got in the community, and also with the investment we've made, we've been able to bring all of our members back to one hub, which has really brought this one club mentality to everybody really, so that's been a huge success.